President Trump is taking sweeping new actions on immigration. Today he's signing two powerful executive orders targeting sanctuary cities and empowering law enforcement across the country. The first order demands a list of cities refusing to cooperate with deportations, exposing what the White House calls lawless sanctuaries. The second, it supercharges police powers, promising military-grade equipment and legal protections for officers on the front lines. Already, Rochester, New York is in the crosshairs, sued by the Trump administration for allegedly blocking immigration agents. Meanwhile, resistance is building. A federal judge in San Francisco has temporarily blocked efforts to withhold funding from cooperative cities. As Trump's 100th day in office approaches, the administration is boasting 139,000 deportations, but officials like Czar Tom Homan say they are just getting started. And tomorrow, a new rule kicks in. Undocumented immigrants aged 14 and up must register fingerprints or face criminal prosecution.